Welcome back again. Now in second video, I'm going to explore what are the practical points we are going to discuss in that. So already I explained the 5 levels of the pulse diagnosis. Introductory classes will be discussed in the first the theory classes on April 10th. Then next on April 28th, what we are going to do is here basically we try to teach the students how to keep the hands. What are the ways to keep the pulse, the position? What we are going to discuss basically is the position of how to keep the position of the hand, and how to keep the fingers on the pulse, on the arterial pulse, or which artery we need to keep. And the position is very important. We are going to discuss on that, because if the position fails, the entire phenomena fails. So we are going to discuss where to keep exactly your fingers, where to keep them, and what is the diameter of the area where to keep them. How does which portion of the hand you need to keep them, and we are going to show how the artery is running, and what is the significance of the artery in relation to the practical things. Also, once we keep the fingers, then we are going to assess the external layer, 5 layers of the pulse we discuss. Okay, so the first layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, fifth layer. So we are going to work with the students with the worksheets is given to them. First level, second level, third level, fourth level, fifth level. We're going to explore the physiological process, the pathological process, and subdivisions in the hands, and where all the organs are present in the body, how does they interconnect with them, what are the physiological changes takes place in the different age groups, male and female, the differentiation, and how does it practically work out with them, and how do you assess each level, and how we are going to finalize the diagnosis at the end. All these things we are going to explore. So each level, each student will get a worksheet with us, and then each student will check her own pulse or his own pulse, and we are going to explore the concerned students' prakriti, concerned students' pathological changes in their body, and we are making the students to understand by themselves what kind of prakriti they are having, what kind of vikriti they are having, what is the physiological processes going on in the body, what is the pathological changes are taking in their body, which we are going to intensively explore in the workshop. So whole day the workshop will be done, and most of the diseases we're going to explore in theory portion, and the same in practical workshops. We are going to work with the different diseases, and we are going to work with the different levels of the nadis and the tissue levels, the saptadhatu we call it as 7 tissue levels we are going to explore, and we are going to explore the constitution through the pulse. So till date, most of the students must have learned prakriti at the theoretical portions in the classes, but the first time the students has to going to learn how to detect their own prakriti, how to detect their own vikriti, the changes in the physiological process, the changes in the pathological process in the workshop. We will all meet all of you in Budapest for the live workshop on April 28th. Thank you very much. Namaste.